Mostly this machine with the clutch motor. This is pole surfing motor. Clutch motor, the speed is high speed, so this machine is required low speed. This control box is for different machine, overlock, interlock. So this is modified from other machine. So this green light. It means need position, but actually this machine designed in 1880, nearby 200 years ago. The design, so no change, is same. So at this time, no need position up or down. This is pole servo motor. Your plus designed for overlock machine. So you ignore this green light. Press P 2 times. One time is so this disappear. So there is no error. If you press one time again, the green color, the green light, press again, disappear. So you don't care this light error, you just press 2 times, green color, green light disappear, so no error. So don't confuse this nipple up or down control by this control box. No, this is for low speed. See, it's 200 RPM. But the clutch model cannot do this. It's high speed, you cannot control. So this for your stage, you are the beginning learning. So the speed 200 is enough.